Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out.
Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In the last video, I taught you guys how to say turn on the light in Navajo. Adiltlad, adiltlad. In this week's video, I'm going to teach you how to say turn off the light. Similar to saying turn on the light, in Navajo, to say turn off the light has both a transitive and intransitive form. And just as a reminder, for intransitive verbs, you don't have to say what object is involved in the action. For transitive verbs, you do have to mention what object is involved in the action. And to get more clarification on that, I would encourage you to watch one of my previous videos on transitive and intransitive verbs. Or you can just watch the rest of this video and hopefully I'll make that more clear to you. So let's start with the intransitive verb. If you want to tell somebody to turn off the light, you would say, aniltses, aniltses, turn off the light. And that phrase, aniltses, is the second person intransitive verb. You're not saying what it is you're turning off. You're just telling somebody to turn off the light. Aniltses. If I'm saying I'm turning on the light, I would say, aniltses, aniltses, I am turning off the light. If somebody else was turning off the light, you would say, a aniltses, he or she is turning off the light. Or you can put in a name. Tyreek aniltses, Tanya aniltses, Tanya is turning off the light. There's a slight difference between the second and third person version. For the second person, it's aniltses. It goes higher first, aniltses. For the third person, it's aniltses, aniltses. It doesn't go high to begin with. Aniltses. So that's the third person version of that. Travis aniltses. Travis is turning off the light. So with the intransitive form, again, you don't have to say what it is you're turning off. You're just saying you're turning off the light. Now for the transitive form, you do have to say what it is you're turning off. So in this example, we're going to use the Navalish form again. So you're going to say light niltses, light niltses. That's the second person transitive verb. You're telling somebody turn off the light. Light niltses, light niltses. If you're saying I'm turning on the light, you would say light niltses, light niltses. If you're saying he or she is turning off the light, you would say a light niltses, Tyreek light niltses, Tanya light niltses, Travis a light niltses. That's how you would use that. And again, for the transitive verb, you have to say what it is you're turning off. So for the verb niltses, that involves turning off things of a light source. For that reason, you can use this verb to describe turning off the nouns that you had used in the last video, such as ben diltlade niltses, titletle niltses, akakon niltses, beshbikon niltses. Here are more examples of nouns that you can use the verb diltlad to say turn it on. But you can also use the verb niltses to say turn it off. Chidibina niltses, chidibina niltses, tokoe niltses, tokoe niltses. Now these next nouns are examples of nouns that you can't say diltlad to say turn it on. Instead, you would say diltsi to say turn it on. These are nouns that are motorized items. I'm including it here because these are nouns that you can also say niltses to say turn it off. Chide niltses, chide niltses. That's in English ilene niltses. That's in English ilene niltses. Tloh beyil jehe niltses. Tloh beyil jehe niltses. Z'izitzo niltses. Z'izitzo niltses. Now these next group of nouns are computerized items, newer technology, things that can light up. And these kind of fit a gray area. For some people to say turn it off, they would say niltses. Other people will say you can only say a nunges to say turn it off. Other people will say you can use both verbs to say turn it off. It really would depend on who you ask. And here are some examples of some of those nouns. Nilchinal kide, niltses. Nilchinal kide, niltses. Beshin se kese, niltses. Beshin se kese, niltses. Besh behane, niltses. Besh behane, niltses. Now for these type of nouns, I would just make it a learning point. Go around and ask people what they would say in terms of a cell phone, in terms of a computer, how they would say turn it off. And just for completeness, when Star Wars was translated into Navajo, they used a variant of niltses to say turn it off for computerized items. And here is an example of that.
Du sørst i det, og så det, snart til at gå.
Look, and then sis. The patient's a case in this tis. Looking on this tis, hush it out.
No, it's Ada. Taco.
Knowing this much about the Navajo language, now certain nouns should make sense to you. For example, to say firefighter in Navajo, you would say ko'yiniltsese. Ko'yiniltsese. Of course, ko means fire. Yiniltsese is the one that turns it off, and that's where you get the Navajo word firefighter. Ko'yiniltsese. So in the previous video and in this video, I introduced other verbs such as hanges or nanges or diltsi. I'll get into more detail into those types of verbs later on, but for now, this video is just meant to focus on how to say aniltses or niltses. At least try to use it once or twice today, all right? And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, but I would encourage you to ask your parents, your grandparents, your Navajo language teacher. You guys all have a nice day.